Hey, welcome to another video. My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, I'm the founder and leader of Chartpools Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together to talk cryptocurrencies and stocks and to figure out best practices so that we can all profit more. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below, and that'll take you to the free chat room. If you're interested in learning more about day trading after this video ends, go ahead and click the second link in the description and you can find out more about my advanced level course. So let's go ahead and get into the beginnings of day trading, where that puts you, and kind of like how do you make money doing this. Crazy cool concept, right? So we all want to become day traders because it opens up freedom for money and time, and it's really cool to be able to look at charts and to make money off of it, right? So if you are learning how to day trade, we're going to go ahead and start with crypto here because that's what this channel focuses mostly on. What I'm going to advise you to do is to ignore the first chunk of time frames, right? I don't want you to look at the 1 minute. I don't want you to look at the 3, the 5, the 10, or the 15 even. I want you to only look at the 1 hour through the daily. What that means is that each candle represents the time frame that we're looking at. So right now, if I'm on the 4 hour of BTC USD, the 4 hour, each candle represents 4 hours of time. So if I go to the daily, 1 day, each candle is 1 day long. So on the bottom here, you'll see that we're looking at much more time because each candle is a full day. Now, what I want you to do if you're beginning to day trade is to look at this daily and to see kind of what's the general pattern here. It doesn't take much to know that our general pattern is down, right? It's pretty clear. You can even zoom out all the way and you still see what's happening here. We're going down. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So now that we know we're going down, let's go ahead and go into another time frame. We're going to look at the 4 hour, right? Excuse me. So the 4 hour on the short term looks like we're going up. Looks like we're kind of trying to make this like bull flag looking thing here for another move to the upside. So where does that leave us, right? Well, on the 4 hour, we can see that we kind of have broken this trend line, and that's why we've got the pop up. We're making this, so we should see another bounce, right? Many people, when they're starting to day trade, they want to go right into the 5 minute chart and just play these quick little ups and downs, just like in between supports and resistances as much as they can, right? Get as many trades in as they can. Since you are a beginner day trader, I want you to go ahead and just slam this into your head that you do not need to be trying to make as many trades in a day as you can. You need to be figuring out how do you make quality trades. It's quality over quantity. There are days where I don't make any trades at all. There are days where I'll make 5 trades, 10 trades. There are days where I only do swing trades. It's because it's about quality over quantity. You don't want to be the person who's on the 3 minute trying to play every single up and down because all of a sudden a big move will happen, right? Like this one. So there was probably some people out there trying to play all these little moves, but then this big move came and just completely destroyed all of their positions. That's why it's dangerous to do that. So it's about quality over quantity. So now that we know that we don't need to be trading on these little time frames, we know that we need to be looking for quality over quantity. Let's go ahead and dive into kind of what that looks like. So if we're looking at the 1 day, we're going to look at support and resistance lines. This is just a very easy way to do trading, right? So resistance and support lines are anywhere where the price gets supported up, right? So it's a point of support, or it's a point of resistance where the price got in and then it got slammed back down, in and slammed back down. So here's one as well. We see that it supported those and then rejected those. Right now we're rejecting it, right? So once we see that, let's go ahead and go into the 4 hour and do the whole thing over again. So we see one right there because it's supporting right there. We see that it is rejecting right there, which actually rejects those as well. We can see that right here, we rejected there, and supported right here. So now that we know that, let's go ahead and dive in to the hourly. So now that we have this range that we're going to play in, right? We know that if the price goes up here, we can expect it to go down. If it goes down here, we can expect it to go up, potentially up to here, depending on how long you want to hold, right? So day trading means you're taking profit as fast as you can. So if you buy this dip right here, you'd want to take profit right here. You'd want to sell your position. You'd want to rebuy your position. You'd want to sell your position. You'd want to take profit and sell, right? So basically, what does it mean now? If we get above this line and we kind of bounce like this and go up, we'd want to buy right here. We'd want to buy on the confirmation. If we go down and we go like this, we'd want to for sure cut our losses. But if we go down and bounce back above and then go up, we'd want to enter right here. And that's exactly what we see here, right? So we see that we go down, we kiss, and we go back up. So this right here is a great entry off the confirmation that we're going back up. Same thing that we would have seen right here. That is all it takes to do day trading. This is a longer time frame, but the longer time frame you get, the more accurate that your trading style can be, right? Um, one other tip is that these lines are not the end all be all. You want to kind of place orders in front and behind them typically, just because the line is right here doesn't mean this is exactly where the price will be. So it's called front running when you put orders in before the line. So that's all it takes to day trade. That was really fast. It's really easy. It's not hard to do. If you're interested in learning more of the advanced level skills behind day trading, I recommend you to go to that second link in the description and figure out kind of what we're looking at there and sign up for the email newsletter and all of that jazz. If this video was helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. I appreciate all of those. I also read all the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the Discord. Have a great day. Bye.